How to download TeamViewer in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download TeamViewer in Windows 10 or 11, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for TeamViewer download. After searching that, now here you will have www.teamviewer.com. You need to just go with the official website, and from here you can select the Windows option if you are using your Windows, or if you're using your Mac OS or Linux or any other option. So I'll just simply go with Windows. Once you go with Windows, now you need to scroll down and then you need to select the 64-bit version or the 32-bit version. And you will also have the quick support, full client or host option. So I'll just simply go with the 64-bit. Once you click on it on the top right, as you can see that it has started the downloading process. You can go with full download history, and here you will have your TeamViewer. You can just double click on that. Once you double click, now you just need to simply go with yes, and you'll be able to install. But if that doesn't work for you, then you just need to simply go back, and here you will have the other option, which is download and install TeamViewer. You need to just click on it, scroll down, go with free download, and from here you need to go with TeamViewer free trials. Go with download now. After that, the file will be downloaded. You can just simply click on the file and you'll have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with the accept and go with next and enter the username and the password, or you can go with current user and go with OK, and it will start the installing process. That's how you can download and install TeamViewer, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.